In this video, we'll install the fuel line on a supercharged Goblin. This video only applies to the SS supercharged builds. Route the fuel lines from the fuel pump down the side of the frame. Use the donor fuel filter clamp and hardware from the K007 baggie to mount the fuel filter to the frame as shown. Tighten the fasteners with a 5/32 Allen and a 7/16 wrench. Loosen and remove the nut from the lower fuse box mount. Add a clamp from the K007 baggie to hold the fuel lines to the fuse box mount tab. Retighten the lower fuse box mount hardware. Use the palm of your hand to bend the clamp downward to hold the fuel lines closer to the frame. Use the remaining hardware from the K007 baggie to attach the fuel lines as shown. Tighten the fasteners with a 5/32 Allen and a 7/16 wrench. Push the steel line from the K12A baggie into the fuel filter. Connect the fuel line from the previous video to the fuel rail. Route the fuel line as shown and connect it to the steel line at the fuel filter.